Dear learners, greetings of the day. Welcome back to my channel, English Mentor. I am your English mentor, Anil, and today I'm just going to teach you part number 5 based on adjectives. So, in this particular session, I'm just going to teach you adjectives and its rules. So, let us start with our superlative degree. So before we proceed, just let me define you what does it mean. See, superlative degree we use in that condition when comparison is made more than two persons or things. हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री को उस केस में यूज करते हैं जब हम कंपैरिजन मोर देन टू पर्सन्स या थिंग्स के बीच में जब हम कंपैरिजन करते हैं तो उस वक्त हम यूज कर लेते हैं सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. Right? We use superlative degree in that case. So let us start rule number 1. सबसे पहले मैं rule number 1 की बात करता हूं तो उसको ध्यान से देखेंगे आप. देखें, मैंने एक सेंटेंस लिखा, India is the greatest country in the world. Greatest country in the world. Now if you look at this example, there are so many countries in the world, but I'm talking about specifically India, right? So it means there are so many countries. I'm talking about India, right? So in this particular sentence, we have used greatest as a superlative degree, right? But at the same time, we need to understand whenever you talk about superlative degree, we have to always use article the with it. Now, if you look at this example, I have used article the also. Okay, one more example. If I write over here, Ram is the wisest boy of his class. Of his class, right? Suppose there are 20 students in Ram's class, but I'm talking about who is the best one, who is the smartest one. Ram is the smartest one. So in this case, I have used wisest as a superlative degree, and at the same time, we have used article the also. Okay, so the rule number 1 says when we make comparison more than two person and things, that time we use superlative degree. Number 2, whenever you write superlative degree in a given sentence, it always comes with article the. Okay, now rule number 2. In case of rule number 2, I would like to teach you about one syllabic and more syllabic. Please pay attention to this. See, one syllabic and more syllabic. One syllabic are those words, those adjectives which can be spoken in one go, or we cannot break it. And more syllabic are those adjectives which can be broken into parts. And each part should have a vowel sound. Now, if I give you an example, great. Great is a one syllabic word. And if I write powerful, so it is more syllabic word. How will you break it? See, if I just break this great, so it can be spoken in one go. Great, our sound is there. So great is a one syllabic word. But when we talk about powerful, so it can be broken into three parts. Powerful. Each part should have a vowel sound. So this is more syllabic, this is three syllabic word, and this is one syllabic word. So one syllabic word usually come ER or EST, okay, with EST forms. And wherever, when we talk about more syllabic word, so generally they do not have ER or EST forms of adjectives. They take more and the most. Like if I talk about great is positive degree, what is the comparative degree of great? It's greater. What should be the one? Greater. And if I talk about powerful, it's not powerfuler. This is incorrect because more syllabic. And generally, more syllabic comes with more in comparative and the most in superlative degree. So it should be more powerful. And what should be the superlative degree of this great? It should be greatest. It should be greatest. And what should be the superlative degree of powerful? It should be the most powerful. The most powerful. So in nutshell, I want to tell you one syllabic comes with ER or EST, whereas more syllabic generally come with more in comparative and the most in superlative. Now, if I write one example of this, please have a look of this. India is the most powerful and greatest country in the world. So in this particular sentence, we have used two adjectives, 2 degrees, and both are superlative degrees, most powerful and greatest. So according to rule, which is one syllabic, it should be placed at number 1, and which is more syllabic, it should be placed at number 2. This sentence is incorrect. Why so? Because greatest is a one syllabic and the most powerful is more syllabic. And according to rule, one syllabic should be placed at number 1 and more syllabic should be placed at number 2. What should be the correct order? The correct order should be India is the greatest and most powerful country in the world. So this is the correct order. According to rule, we have to place one syllabic at first number and more syllabic at second number. This is the correct order. So this is rule number 2. Now moving on, rule number 3. Now in case of rule number 3, actually if you are connecting two adjectives, two superlative degree with conjunction and, then articles should be used with the first superlative degree, not with the second one. Now please have a look of this. I'm writing one sentence. Ram is the smartest and the wisest boy of the school. Now, if you look at this sentence, dear students, I have connected two superlative degrees with and I have used article with the smartest and the wisest, which is incorrect. Rule says articles should be used with the first adjective with the first superlative degree, not with the second one. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect, right? This should be avoided. What should be the correct answer? Ram is the smartest and wisest boy of the class is the correct answer, right? Now in case of rule number 4, please have a look at this. Now in case of rule number 4, we cannot use two superlative degree for one adjective because it becomes superfluous expression. Suppose if I write one example, please have a look at this. If I write, Sunny is the most tallest boy of his class. I am just using two superlative degree, tallest and most, right? So tallest itself is a superlative degree which does not require most with it, which is superfluous expression. So generally, two superlative degree cannot be used for one word because it becomes superfluous expression. So in this particular sentence, most is superfluous, it should be avoided. So what should be the correct answer? What should be the correct answer? Sunny is the tallest boy of his class. So these are the 4 rules which I try to simplify today, and I truly believe you have understood this topic. So this is all about from superlative degree. Tomorrow I'll teach you some common errors based on adjectives. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.